Take a ride in the 2013 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.